I'm Christina Jesty, Head of Profit Protection at Poundland. I've worked here for 4 years, but recently, like many UK retailers, Poundland has seen a sharp rise in theft and aggression towards colleagues. With this in mind, we were determined to improve both employee and customer safety and reduce in-store theft. After researching, I learned that retailers, especially in high-risk areas, have started equipping their store staff with body cameras to address these challenges. Our team at Poundland were interested in finding out more, and fortunately we were introduced to CSE Crosscom.
Hi, I'm Dan Frith, Sales Director at CSE. I first came into contact with Christina at Poundland back in 2022 and quickly understood that there was a need for enhanced safety measures across their stores. With over 30 years experience, CSE prides itself on being able to identify the most suitable technology for every single client, from two-way radio to body-worn video solutions. And that's exactly what we did with Poundland. Having analysed their requirements, we organised a detailed presentation to show the technology in action, and this resulted in the selection of the Motorola Solutions VT100 body-worn cameras. These were deployed in a pilot store, which allowed Poundland to evaluate the weight, size and the ease of use of the cameras before making a commitment to deploy them fully.
Current environment makes it difficult to be working in the store. It can get quite aggressive and confrontational at times, but the body cams definitely help those situations. They do help the colleagues and the staff, and the feedback from the team is that they all feel a bit safer with them on. As soon as we say sort of you're being filmed, the sort of situation sort of diffuses itself, so they help quite a lot. Training wise, we trained all the colleagues in the store, so everyone, whatever position they're working in that day, or the day they're working, that they'll use the cameras, and they know how to use them fine. Every colleague will wear the camera where they need to. Obviously, we'll make sure that there's one person on the tills that wear the cameras. A member of the management team always wears a camera, and whoever's on the self-serve checkouts always wears a camera. So when we had the cameras in store, we had a Teams meeting with the Profit Protection Department, who rolled it out to the stores that were trialling it, and it sort of went from there. I feel safer when I have them on, definitely. Sometimes when you get confronted by some shoplifter or somebody, it's always worth to have the camera there.
I find them very easy to use. I feel a lot safer because when anybody's being confrontational, I can just say I can record you, because we have to notify them first that we are going to record them. And then I just switch the camera on and then record any incidents that happen. So then I've got the footage to protect me, and also for the company to look at as well, to see what the incident was. Myself being on the SCOs, I've said I've got a camera on, and then they've sort of quieted me down then and not been so confrontational then.
At Poundland, we have 3 main business goals: love our customers, care for our colleagues and protect the pounds.
Our body cameras allow us to achieve all of these, helping us create a safer in-store environment, gather vital evidence and reduce shop theft.
Since the installation of the body cams in our stores, we have seen an average of 11% decrease in incidents reported.
Specifically, violence towards our colleagues has decreased.
Also, a high number of our stores have benefited from a significant decrease in shoplifting and have since been removed from our high-risk list.
Retail should not be a high-risk occupation. That's why a growing number of stores are now requesting body cameras.
The cameras are definitely having a positive impact on customer behaviour.
For instance, potential offenders can get vocal and aggressive, but when they see the body cameras worn by our staff, they usually return stock and leave the store quietly.
The cameras act as a great visual deterrent. As a company, we are very focused on listening to our colleagues and customers to help them with the issues they are facing in store, and so far the feedback has been excellent.
We've even changed our internal policies to support evidence gathering for dispute resolution. The more intelligence and information we gain in serious crimes, the higher chance of a successful prosecution.
Finally, the working relationship with CSE has been exceptionally positive. From the initial planning and design to the installation and continued ongoing support, it has aided our goal to make the retail environment safer.